Okay, birch in box number 4. Dan! Good boy. Find it. Good. Good job. Good boy. Freeze-dried liver, salami, sharp cheddar. Good boy. So good. Good job. Hurry quick. Dan, go downstairs. Dan, you gotta go get it. You gotta go get it. I know you don't want to leave the search area. Go boy. Come on, baby. I got no pause button. Come on. It won't hurt you. Oh my God, you don't like that noise. I know. Oh, baby. Go ahead. Come on. Look, it's a cookie. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Get it. You get it. We did boxes before this, and this is our second run, and that's going to be it. Dan! Dan! Come on, buddy. Where are you? Come on, Dan. Come see a piece. Come get your leash. Dan! Come on. Let's go. Dan, leash. Leash. Come on, buddy, good boy. Come on. You done? Come on, Dan. Come with me. Good boy. Absolutely not. Okay. I don't know what happened. Come on. Come on, buddy. Good boy. Good job. Very nice. Good boy. Come on. It won't hurt you. It is not going to fall on you. Good boy. He does not like, oh my gosh, look, it's salami. He does not like this X pen up here because it fell on his head one day. On my head, or I tripped over it. Something bad happened. Good boy. Are you ready? Are you ready? Look at me. Good boys. Good boys. Oh my goodness. You're not very happy. Look at lots of cookies. Look at the sniffies out there. Find it. Yes. Good job. Good boy. I think you're a little bit nervous about something, so I'm just going to put you in the presence of odor and pain and pain and pain and pain and then pay some more and then pay again. Yes, in the presence of odor. Very nice. Good boy, finish. What a brave man. Something scared you. What a brave man. Good boy.